Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the Windows Clipboard tool. If you are already using it, then that's awesome. If not yet, then continue watching this video. This Clipboard History is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to view the history of all the text and items you have copied in Windows. In this video, we'll look at some of the advantages of using this tool and how it can help boost your productivity. So how can we enable the Clipboard History on Windows? You just go to Windows Start or press Search on your Windows taskbar, then type Clipboard, then select the top option and also which says System Settings. This will open the Windows settings, and you will see the Clipboard History. If not yet enabled, just turn on the upper right button. Then you can start using your Clipboard History. Just press Windows logo on your keyboard along with the letter V, and there you go. From here on, all the items you copied in Windows, you will view them here. To paste an item, just select from the history, and then click it to paste the item. Isn't that simple? And also from the Clipboard History, you can pin frequently used items by choosing an individual item from your clipboard menu. Pinning an item keeps it from being removed from the Clipboard History to make room for new items. So what are some of the advantages in using the Clipboard History? First, the Clipboard History can be a great way to quickly recall information that you may have copied in earlier but forgotten about. Instead of having to search through your computer or retype something, the Clipboard History will show you a list of everything you have copied. So if you need to access something from earlier, it can be as easy as searching through your list. So our second advantage is that it can help with your projects, tasks, especially when dealing with documents and presentation. It will boost your productivity by allowing you to quickly copy and paste items without having to retype. Next is that the Clipboard History can also help you avoid making mistakes. Instead of having to retype something, you can just copy and paste from your list, which will ensure that you don't accidentally enter incorrect information or typos. And you can choose if you want to copy the text format, or you can just paste it as text. And last but not the least, you can share your clipboard items to another Windows device. How awesome is that? We just go back to Windows Settings, select Start Setting System Clipboard, or just type on Windows Search again to open the clipboard settings. Then you will find the Select Sync Across Devices and toggle it on. Then select Automatically Sync Text that I copy. The sync feature is tied to your Microsoft account or your work account, so remember to use the same login information on your other device. So there you have it, some of the advantages of using the Windows Clipboard History tool. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you'll start taking advantage of this simple but amazing tool in your day-to-day workflow. If you find this video helpful, just don't forget to like, subscribe and then share this video. Thanks guys for watching, and see you on the next one.